Good day, nosy people. So today we decide so we are going to decorate for Halloween. We're in a move from here, so with that thing, the other things I'm afraid of them fool sitting here. So anyway, me I tried to explain to my mom, say, me no, in them dopey things, I know, you can do this by yourself, but me just couldn't sit down and watch them a decorate, car. Look on this, who I go hang this pantry? It for stick banded, excuse me. Sister, you don't know if it's excuse me. Cheese and peas, them pick me nowadays. So by the way, for those of you who don't know me, me the original Jamaican boss baby Royce, mums, we ain't tell sister, and she just spread it out so it not even look like a spider web, it just look like sitting here fling on the bush them. I can't clutter the spider. You know, I can't work with them people here. I would this Anya, it's kind of fun still. But yeah, anyways, yeah, me tell my mum say me nine of them dopey things stick me here. Me no want a dopey come follow me one, but it's a competition for who can decorate the best house. And of course, me a the Jamaican boss baby Royce. Me must have to win.